Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Instacart account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Instacart account, firstly open your Instacart application. The home page of Instacart application will appear on the screen. Click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and tap on Logout option. You will be logged out of your Instacart account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Instacart account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.